Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily download the Zoom app on your PC or on your laptop. So once you download the Zoom app, so you'll be able to sign in into your account. You can easily host meetings, or you can also go ahead and join meetings. Alright, so for you to download the Zoom app, just go into your web browser. So right now I'm using Google Chrome. I'll come right here and add a new tab, and then I'll type in zoom.us, as you can see over there, stroke download, and then I will search. So once I do the search, this page will show up, as you can see right here. So we'll go ahead and download Zoom client for meetings. However, if you want to download any other category of Zoom, you can scroll through. As you can see, you have Zoom plugin for IBM Notes, Zoom extension for browsers, Zoom mobile apps, as you can see. So you can download those other kinds of Zoom from right here. Zoom client plugin for sharing iPhone, iPad, as you can see over there, for conference rooms and touchscreen displays. So you can go ahead and choose the one that you're interested in. So in this case, we are going to download Zoom client for meetings, as you can see here. So they're saying the web browser client will download automatically when you start or join your first Zoom meeting, and is also available for manual download here. So you're going to download the Zoom. So we're going to download our Zoom from right here. So what you're going to do, go ahead and tap on download. There you go. So it starts to download, and once it's done downloading, go ahead and tap on that up arrow, and then choose show in folder. So what you're going to do, so this is the downloaded file right here. So go ahead and right click on it. So you choose run as administrator. So they'll ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So go ahead and say yes. So it's right now installing. There you go. So once it's done downloading, you can come right here and then search Zoom, and there you go. So it will show up right here. So go ahead and tap on it. So you can go ahead and either join a meeting, as you can see over there. So you can enter the meeting ID and then change any of these settings right here, and then you go ahead and join, or you can go ahead and sign in with your email and password. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you were able to download Zoom on your PC or on your laptop, so kindly give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, make it a point to subscribe, since it helps us a lot. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.